Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add to cart in TikTok shop. The first thing I would like you to do is to launch your TikTok account. That's your official account, which of course I have done right here. Then the next thing you would like to do is to be sure that you have successfully linked your TikTok shop account to your official account. How do you do that? Go ahead and launch your TikTok shop account. After launching your TikTok shop account, if you're using the website application, then you will need to check the top right corner of your screen. Click on the account icon, then click on account and click on linked account and follow through the on-screen instructions to link your TikTok shop account to your official account. After linking that successfully, launch your TikTok official account, which of course I've done right here. And at the bottom of your screen, you're going to find the shop icon. That's a testament showing that you have successfully linked your TikTok shop account to your official account. So in here, go ahead and click on the shop icon at the bottom corner of your screen. Once you click on that, you're going to see a couple options which include orders, coupons, messages, address, payment, and help. Now go ahead and click on the shop itself. All right. So click on the shop itself, because once you click on the shop icon, it's going to take you right into the shop. All right. So click on the shop itself and you're going to browse. You're going to see a wide array of products that you can add to cart or product that you can select from. So go ahead and select any product that you like to buy or any product that you want to reserve for later purposes. Once you click on the product, you're going to see an option or a button that shows add to cart. So select the product, click on the product, and it's going to take you to the product details page. You're going to see the add to cart button. Click on the add to cart button, and once you click on that, you need to confirm variation, which include the size, the color. Once you have confirmed the variations, the next thing that you need to do is to select the add to cart button, which is going to appear again. So click on the add to cart button again, and it's going to be added successfully to your cart. You're going to see it at the top right corner of your screen. You're going to see the cart icon. So if you click on that, you'll see that that product has been added to cart. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.